So children, we have written up to 6 meanings. Right. Seventh one is what? Fuzzing. Fussing. Fuzzing. The meaning of fuzzing is show excessive concern about something. So here it means when we show excessive means a lot of concern towards anything, maybe about our friends or about any things which we like. When we show particular concern on something, that is known as fuzzing. Okay? Extra care, when we show extra care or extra concern on something, then it is known as fuzzing. Eighth one is tartly. 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 Okay? Tartly is with a biting tone of voice. What is meant by tartly? Tartly, telling something with a biting tone, that means showing your teeth and telling by shouting. Okay, that is known as tartly, with a biting tone of voice. Okay, harshly when we say, so that kind of a action is known as tartly. Ninth one, lapse. Lapse is an accidental shift or slip in memory. When we accidentally forget something, okay, when normally by mistakenly when we forget something, that is known as lapse. Okay, and what is the meaning of lapse? An accidental shift or slip of memory. When we slip something, when we try not to forget, even though we forget some important thing, so that is known as lapse. Okay children, all these meanings where you are going to write down in your classwork book. Okay, neatly. Then let's go for the textbook part. Open everyone page number 8. Open page number 8 children, everyone. Open. Here he had given fill in the blanks with either lose or lose to complete the following sentences. Here he had given, we have to write either lose or lose. Lose means what? When something is moving. Okay, when we'll say if the door is loose, okay, the screws will be loose to the door, it will become loose, right? So that is known as lose. And lose is what? When we lose something, when we are losing, I mean when we are lost. If we are playing any game, one will win and one will lose, right? So that losing stands for L-O-S-E, lose. L-O-O-S-E, lose will stand for what? Which is very much moving or shaking, which is very loose, which cannot be attached because of its loose. Okay? So let's go for the A bit. So I will be telling you all, you write it down in your textbook. What he had given? I have a dash tooth. So what will stand here? Lose or lose? I have a dash tooth. What will come children? Of course, lose will only come. Which is shaking. The tooth was shaking. So I have a loose tooth. This will come. Second one, if we do not play well, we will dash the match. If we do not play well, we will dash the match. when we are not playing, we are going to lose it, right? Then others will be telling us you lost the match, you are not a winner, right? So here this lose will come. L-O-S-E, lose. See children, the pronunciation. Here L should be a long pronounce, like lose. This is only lose. This is lose and this is lose. Okay. If we do not play well, we will lose the match. So now next one. Next one, third one is, where did you dash the screw? Here it is a question mark. So what will come? Where did you dash the screw? Lose the screw or lose the screw? What will come? Losing means what I said? Shakingly, okay? Which is very much, which is about to open, which is about to fall down. So that is known as lose. And this one is lost. Present tense of lost is lose. So here we have to write, where did you lose? L-O-S-E. Lose the screw. Okay. Now, fourth one. The screw in the door is dash. Now tell me, there will be many screws to the doors and windows, right? Some one will become loose. That's the reason some doors will make sound because of the loose of the screws. So the screw in the door is dash. This loose will come or this loose will come? Of course this loose will come, right? L-O-O-S-E, loose. The screw was loose, which was about to open. Now, fifth one. Don't dash your temper. Temper means your attitude, your nature. Okay? Don't dash your temper. Here loose will not come because anything is not shaking in this sentence. Anything is not moving in this sentence. So here we are talking about our behavior. Loose. L-O-S-E. Don't lose your temper. Now, sixth one. I think it's the last one. Did you dash your keys again? So what will come here? See, did you dash your keys again? What will come here? What is the sentence about losing something? That means we are forgetting something somewhere. Okay. So here of course this lose will come. L-O-S-E, lose. Okay children, again I am telling you all, lose means which is shakeable, which is movable. L-O-S-E, lose stands for which we are losing something. Somewhere, leaving it and forgetting it. Okay, these two meanings, if you understand these, the meaning of these two words, you can write any word where it will fit. Okay? So, in the next class, we will be, next let us move for the next bit.